3, 2, 1. Hello everyone. Welcome to Shooting Star.
This is our first special event as
We are celebrating our first anniversary. It's a very classic start, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, we know that many tourists actually wants to come to Hokkaido, but unable to do so. So, we're gonna bring Hokkaido to you. So this is what we call the Hokkaido Happy Star Box. So in this Star Box, you'll find many nice goodies that we actually recommend. Try it and taste it.
Hey, can't wait. Okay, then let's open it. What's the first one? Come.
This one. Furanoya's chicken soup curry. So Furanoya is a real shop that exists in Furano, and most tourists that comes to Hokkaido, Furano, he will go and visit the shop. So lucky enough, we are just 12 minutes away from the shop. So this is Hokkaido's unique style of curry, and they call it soup curry.
Actually, I always prefer the classic Japanese curry style, but I have to say the Furanoya's soup curry is really exceptional.
It's really good, and now you also can get to try it. Now this is actually a ready to eat packet, so you just need to heat it up. Simply take out the sachet, then place it in a pot of water for boiling water for 10 minutes. The packet actually says 8 minutes, but we recommend 10.
After 8 minutes, it was not really warm enough, right?
So better to have 10 minutes. Hot curry tastes better.
True. Well, just need to prepare your own rice to go with it. Alternatively, you can warm it up in a microwave. But personally, I feel like boiling with them in a pouch gives you better taste somehow.
Oh, here it comes. Woohoo! One whole chicken leg. Also a potato and a carrot.
But the chicken leg is the whole point, right?
Yeah, very amazing. One whole chicken leg in this small packet. Chicken is very tender and the curry is very rich, filled with spices, and you can taste it in the meat.
It's actually originally not that cheap product. It's that expensive. But staying at home, you want to feel like eating at somewhere, this is really a good buy.
And for children, I think they can still have it. Probably it's not considered too spicy yet, so I think it's a good meal for whole family.
What's the spicy rating?
Out of 10, 10 being spiciest, maybe 2, 3.
Like that. はい。次はラーメン。
Yay, ramen! So typically there is 3 types of ramen soup bases in Japan. We have miso, sho, and shoyu. So this one here is miso ramen, which also symbolizes Sapporo. So this packet of instant ramen is different from the usual Maggi noodle because the noodle is actually non-fried. It's dried, so it is very aligned with the real noodle.
I think the soup is very rich and it has a very good balance with miso taste. I would say there are many other similar products or brands of this sort of thing, but me personally, this is actually the best recommendation.
So we will also be showing you how to make this packet of ramen like a pro with our chef here.
Nicely, easily, and cost effectively at home. I was about to say cheaply.
So next we have scallops.
Scallops. Well, this is a very traditional souvenir from Hokkaido and is the best friend with sake.
We all know that Hokkaido is famous for seafood, but unfortunately we cannot send you any live seafood, so this is the next that we can come up with. This is dried scallops. So you can eat this as a snack, like that. It's a bit hard.
You're eating it real.
Yeah. Tester, right? So once you put into your mouth, and then with the saliva, it actually becomes very chewy. So although it's hard now, but it's actually very chewy. So alternatively, you can use this to cook with porridge and also with rice. So it becomes a flavored rice.
Nice. Oh, by the way, my uncles and cousins actually grew scallops in Hokkaido. Very sweet and big ones. And in the very good season, we do have it here and serve butter grilled scallops in our special menu. So if you're lucky, then you can get to have it here.
Delicious.
Oh, by the way, it says there, if you want to soak it and use it in the cooking, then you need to soak overnight in 200 ml of water. Okay. 厳選された高級珍味だからね。Okay, what's next?
Is Hokkaido's butter candy. So Hokkaido's traditional candy made of butter. So actually you don't find this anywhere else in Japan, only Hokkaido.
Yeah, true. Actually, this one used to be the best-selling souvenir for domestic tourists in Hokkaido. But I was actually thinking that it's actually very classic and might be a bit too obsolete for the younger generations. So I refrained from introducing this one to my wife. But are you eating it really well? Again.
It has this very rich and buttery, creamy texture. It's very addictive. I think you should try.
Yeah. Lovely North folks. Kawaii. We make a lover's sweet home in Hokkaido. There's a typo error. But the taste is very nice. さあ、それでは次の商品に参りましょう。
Okay, so next is the famous brand that sells a variety of cookies, snacks, and sweets, very popular as a souvenir to bring home. So this is the shop called Rokkate.
Rokkate is really no doubt one of the best sweet brands in Hokkaido, and also heavily supported by the locals. Not the cheapest brand, but the quality is really superb. The name of the biscuit is Yukiya Konko. It means snow cancan. So basically, kids is waiting for the snow to play with it.
So we thought of this also because it's winter now, and it's probably another way for you to experience winter. So this cocoa biscuit, sandwiched by white chocolate, from the top it actually looks like snow falling at night. Then, as good as it looks, it tastes really good. So very delicious, goes very well with coffee or milk.
How many pieces does it have?
Comes with 8.
8. Okay. By the way, we are not supported or sponsored by anybody, so don't worry about it.
Yeah. So this will be our last item in the box.
So,
This is called Jagapokkuru. So it's actually very famous for tourists who comes to visit Hokkaido. They will actually buy this bag. We are actually putting in 3 packets of this into our Happy Star Box. The reason is because
we were always trying to limit the weight of the box to 2 kilos. And we just noticed that there was only a room for 100 grams extra. Then we noticed that these 3 packets will actually make it up really, really nicely. How's the taste? Good?
very thick, very crunchy, very delicious.
Okay. Okay, the box weighs almost 2 kilos as I said before and is available for orders in the following link. This time I'm afraid we have limited number of boxes, but once with these boxes becomes very popular, then we'll try our best to bring up more.
So for international orders, unfortunately due to some restrictions of sending food parcels, we are only able to send to Singapore and Taiwan at this moment. So you can click on the link below to place your orders.
we can also ship to orders in domestic Japan. Just please note that there will be additional 8% taxes on the top of the price and freight charges.
Then we have come to the end of it. So everybody is staying home and we shall let you experience Hokkaido.
はい、ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
いやまあ